Reck was a Christian. His opposition to the Nazis was less political than religious. He feared the Nazis meant to destroy Christianity. He was right. They were busy inventing their own religion, not one that protected the weak, but one that admired strength.
Adolf Hitler.
I saw a Hitler youth boy recently. He was in a classroom and suddenly he noticed a crucifix hanging behind the teacher's desk. And his face twisted in fury, and he ripped down this symbol, which hangs in every church in Germany, and he threw it to the ground with the cry, "Lie there, you dirty Jew."
The Christian churches might have led ordinary Germans against the Nazis, but like the outlawed political parties, they failed. Hitler had made idle promises that he'd protect the church. The Pope, the Catholic bishops, and German Protestant leaders all chose to believe him.
You see, we Germans have been rooted in Christianity for centuries. If the churches had pulled together, if the bishops hadn't compromised, many of us felt that there would have been a popular uprising. Some sort of rebellion. I'm sure of it, yes.
Some did what they could. Martin Niemöller spent 8 years in prison for preaching anti-Nazi sermons. But as he reflected in a poem in 1945, more common were those Christians that just stood by.
When the Nazis came for the communists, I was silent. I wasn't a communist. When the Nazis came for the Social Democrats, I was silent. I wasn't a Social Democrat. When the Nazis came for the trade unionists, I was silent. I wasn't a trade unionist. When the Nazis came for the Jews, I was silent. I wasn't a Jew. When the Nazis came for me, there was no one left to protest.